My name is Matt Cooper. I'm Ecoclean UK, direct extension of the SBS Ecoclean Group, German-based, and we produce cleaning, degreasing and surface processing machines. So Ecoclean have been around since the 1950s, and through expansion and growth we're here today, and we now have this brand new facility here in Alcester, a direct extension of the test facilities of Germany. We're global. We're in each continent. We follow our customers around the world, so Asia, China, India, America, but we're central competence is Germany. We've been around and represented in the UK for the last 16 years by myself, and we offer testing, validation of parts and processes for customers and training where they need it in terms of supervisory training or operator training or technical training.
I'm David Dunn from Premier Machine Tools. We offer Tornos, Willem & Macadel, Escomatic and now Ecoclean, degreasing, cleaning and surface treatment equipment. So our customers are manufacturing a range of different components on various different machines, from aerospace, medical, electronic connectors and that type of component. So offering a complete solution and the Ecoclean product, which can give high-end medical application solutions, but also subcontract SME type solutions as well, made them an attractive partner for us to work with. Ecoclean as a company offer a number of different solutions, from lower entry models right through to high-end, high capability products for all types of applications, and that's why we chose Ecoclean. They have a good presence in the UK and globally, and they offer a good backup support and solution providing service for our customers.
At this facility we have water-based solutions and solvent-based solutions. Predominantly spray, injection fluid wash, ultrasonics, hot air drying, vapour degreasing, vacuum drying, with multiple processes in the different machines. And we have different machines because there are different requirements in the industry, whether you're water-based or whether you're grease and oil-based with your contamination of your products. So not one solution fits all, so there's multiple machines, multiple processes which are required. People need to clean their components because they need the next step in good order. Maybe it's packaging, maybe they're doing another process including welding, bolting together, brazing, painting, surface processing, and depending on the next step depends on the level of cleanliness you may need. Ecoclean want to be close to their customers. It's important to have local representation, and so I'm here on a technical basis with this technical facility here, test facility, and we have engineering support as well. So we cover the UK and Ireland complete from myself, and then the other areas of Europe and the world are covered by other people who are there, like myself. Customers in all different industries have different problems which they have. It may be a volume problem in terms of a man cleaning a part with a paraffin brush isn't quick enough and we need to increase that by volume. Or it could be a quality issue in terms of we have particles on the part after which are no good. If it's going into an engine compartment, then we don't want particles in there. It may be a grease level on the parts where it's contaminated and you can't get a paint to bond to the surface. So there's multiple reasons why we need cleaning and surface processing. And our job is to find out what the problems are and try and find solutions for the customer.
So from a complete solution perspective, we obviously offer the machine tools to manufacture the parts. So the customer is turning a component, as an example, a turn part, or milling a small prismatic part. That part then goes into a final assembly, but between the manufacturing process and the assembly we need a cleaning process, and that's where Ecoclean come in for us. So the various sectors that we work with, aerospace, automotive, electronics, medical as an example is a big factor for us. So the production of the part through to the assembly needs this cleaning process in between, and Ecoclean offer that in a number of different formats, from a lower cost option through to the high-end systems. And with the high-end systems we can meet all of the requirements that medical applications, if you like, would be looking for. With Ecoclean, we've already had experience with them supporting us on various projects. And with the facility that they have here, they can provide us with a test facility so that we can check the customer's components through the cleaning process and see that we complete that cleaning process to the standard that the customer requires before they make the investment. With the partnership between Premier Machine Tools and Ecoclean, you can come to the facility here in Ulster and prove our products on your components.